In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new wedding and event. So I'm on the home screen at the moment and I can see my wedding and event list and I can see everything that's here this week. I'm going to go to the left-hand side at the top button here and click Create. What this allows me to do is create a brand new wedding and event. So what we've done is, instead of having all the information on one long screen, we've split out things into different tabs. So we've got event details, styling, items, and delivery. And then you can also manage wedding and event. So once you've saved a wedding and event first and you've got some detail in there, you'll then see manage wedding and event, and you can then do things like manage payment, messages, and see a summary of anything. But to start off with this video, and we're gonna do bite-sized chunks, and so to keep everything quite short, I'm just gonna go through event detail, and then you can check out the other videos going forwards for everything else. So first thing I want to do is name my wedding and event. So I'm going to name it the name of my clients. So Rose, Jones, David Green are getting married. I can then look down the screen. So we've got type, it's a wedding or event. I'm going to keep it as a wedding. Status, so this is a proposal. It's not confirmed, but it's somebody who's come in. I'm sitting down with them, I'm chatting through everything, and they're going to see whether they're going to go ahead with me. Here you can select where those clients found you, so you can keep a record of where the people are coming from. So I'm gonna choose my website. Is it a delivery or collect? It's a delivery. And then, are you charging anything for delivery? So maybe that's not all quite worked out yet, so I'm gonna leave that blank. Date of the event, I'm gonna keep it this week, and then when we go back to wedding and events, you're gonna be able to see it. So I'm gonna put it in for Friday this week. Time of my wedding is midday, and then the reception is at 2. Okay, now if I scroll down the screen, here I can add details of each client. So first client is Rose Jones, telephone number. And I'm going to select Rose as my lead contact. Okay, now I'm going to put her address details in here. Okay, and then save. Here you go. So now you'll see that Rose Jones is listed as a client. I'm also going to add David as a client. So David Green. Add an email address, contact number, and I'm going to copy the lead address over because they both live together, and then save. Okay, next I'm going to add the venues. So these are venues that I've already inputted into settings, and if you want to know how to input those, take a look at the venues video that we've got. So they're going to get married at Redworth Hall. I'm going to select, and you can add as many venues as you want there. I'm just going to add the one for now, and then you can also add suppliers. So this section here is for things like if you want to take a note of who's doing the cake, who's doing the photography, maybe you need to work with other suppliers on the wedding day, or if it's, for example, the photographer, you just want to make a note of their details so that after the wedding you can go back, contact that photographer and get all the nice photos. So I'm going to put in a photographer. This is a local photographer to us. Stan Seaton Photography. Okay, I'm going to leave the rest blank. I've got there what I need and save that. Okay, and just like the venues and the clients, the suppliers start listing there. Okay, so once you've got everything in there, what you need to do is save event. That event is now saved. If I go back to wedding and events, you can see that it's listed there and it's in my proposals. So I've got Rose Jones and David Green.